Hi there everybody, my name is Ali and today we will be going to do CTF challenges from NahamCon CTF, which has been ended just a few days ago, and we will be going to solve very easy and warm up CTF challenges in today's video, and I will be going to make just a very short videos for every challenge separately. So that being said, let's jump in. Now the first challenge which I will be going to solve is this fast hands. Again, this one was 50 pointer right now because the points have been decreased, but when the event started this one was I don't know, but this was a high pointer challenge. So I will start on this one and let's see what it says. So right now the description says that you can capture the flag, but you gotta be fast. So right away this hint is telling me that the flag will be easy, so we need to be very fast. So the flag can be somewhere in the page source, the flag can be somewhere onto the screen or somewhere in the inspector or somewhere in the repeater, I don't know, but let's see what we do have right over here. So right here I will come back and let's see what is on the site. And on the site I can directly see it says capture the flag. So when I will directly click on this one and see what happens. So first thing first, I thought that okay, my browser is opening up, but the browser closes back again. So I thought that the flag might be in the browser again, but next thing which I can do is, because when I solve these sort of challenges I directly say that the flag can be in the page source. So I directly visit the page source, and I have seen in these challenges, all of the CTF challenges, whether it is web, whether it is web app, most of the things were in page source, and the page source was very tricky and very long, so that we should not be able to see the actual thing. So right here, if we look at the page source, I can see from my right hand side this drop down this bar right over here, it is very long, so the content is very huge. So if I scroll down now, someone can easily be tricked in this one, that okay, I don't know what is going on, why he can try to see a lot of things. But what I would have done was, I would have simply done Control F and I would have searched for flag. So if I do flag right over here, I will look for different keywords, and right away I can see there are right at the bottom of this page. So you can directly scroll down at the bottom, or you can directly search for the keyword of flag. That is fine. So if there would have been a flag in the page source in any of one of these line, it will highlight it, or you can directly see some sort of thing. So right here I can see these sort of things, some different bootstrap JavaScript files. Then there is a function called CTF, and it is saying window.open capture the flag.html. So this looks interesting because it is saying capture the flag.html. So this might be the file on the web server, I don't know exactly. So we can try to look at this one, and right here if I do capture the flag.html, again it says your flag is this one. So again, nothing interesting. If I click on this one, nothing happens. If I view the page source, again the page source is very huge. So again the same thing, I will Control F and I will try to search for the keyword flag, and right at the bottom it says your flag is right over here, and right here we have the flag. So this is one approach of solving this sort of challenge, or the other approach is you just directly see manual things, because sometimes it can be possible that the flag might not be in the format of flag. So what you can do is you can try to directly quickly scroll up and down. So for example, let me show you the second approach which you can do was, if I come back, this was the first page. If I click on capture the flag, the browser opens and closes, so nothing strange happens. If I view the page source, now I will directly see without searching for flag. So I will just directly scroll till the bottom and I will directly see whether I can see anything interesting while scrolling. Nothing interesting. Then I can simply scroll right at the bottom, and at the bottom I can see this file capture the flag.html, and I can now go to capture the flag.html and then again view the page source. Looking at the page source, again I will scroll fastly and see whatever I can see interesting things over here, and if I scroll down, right at the bottom there is the flag. So this was a very easy challenge called fast hands, and we can submit the flag, and that's all for this video. Thank you.